Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. First subscribe to my channel and hit the like button below. And let's start. ChatGPT is going mobile. Today, OpenAI announced the launch of an official iOS app that allows users to access its popular AI chatbot on the go. The new ChatGPT app will be free to use and free from ads and will allow for voice input, the company says, but will initially be limited to the United States users at launch. Like its desktop counterpart, the ChatGPT app allows users to interact with an AI chatbot to ask questions without running a traditional web search, plus get advice, find inspiration, learn, research, and more. Given the issue with Apple's own voice assistant Siri and Apple's own lack of AI progress, the new release could push more users to try ChatGPT on their phones as their main mobile helper. The launch could also potentially impact Google, as the search engine today benefits from being the default search engine in Safari on Apple's iPhone. When using the mobile version of ChatGPT, the app will sync your history across devices, meaning it will know what you have previously searched for via its web interface and make that accessible to you. The app is also integrated with Whisper, OpenAI's open source speech recognition system, to allow for voice input. ChatGPT Plus subscriber will be able to access ChatGPT 4's capabilities through the new app. OpenAI says, in addition to receiving early access to new features and faster response times, the company notes in its announcement. The subscription offering was launched in February and costs $20 per month for the upgraded feature, including access to ChatGPT even during peak times. The company says the rollout of the new app will start in the United States today, but it will expand to other countries in the coming weeks. An Android version is also teased as coming soon. So, if you have an iPhone, start trying the application and let me know what you are thinking about and what's your experience using the ChatGPT new application, and see you later. Bye.